We're gonna take care of these spirit fingers. Hey, good looking, it's Elizabeth with the Parker Fam Network. Today I'm going to show you my routine to get my nails so fresh and so clean. So it's been about a year since I've had my nails done. I haven't had my nails done since I was pregnant. Ever since I had my son, everything about myself has been on the back burner. My hair, my nails, you name it. Everything has been put on hold, which I'm okay with. I love spending time with my son. However, I'm looking a little crusty these days. So this is what I do for my nail routine. Enjoy. This is the before. Look at the bustedness in all of its glory. Gross. Yuck. Ugh. So glad I'm getting rid of that. These are the Safety First nail clippers that you can find in the baby aisle. Turns out that these nail clippers are too legit to quit. Okay, so I just finished painting my nails, and it actually ended up being a review for the SensatioNail gel polish. I believe I got this at Target. I have 2 boxes. This is the gel primer and the gel base and top coat, and then I also have a French manicure set. So it comes with that baby pink that I showed you, and it also came with a white, a small, like maybe that size, white nail polish. I use this to prime, apply base coat, apply polish, and then top coat. I've never used myself gel nail polish. I've always gone to the nail salon and they've done gel nails, it was a hassle trying to get the gel nail polish off, so I haven't gone the gel nail polish route in a long time. I like the results a little bit better than the regular nail polish that I usually use. I usually use the Essie Sugar Daddy polish, and that's one of my favorite. I like the pink, subtle, clean look. I will say that after I used the top coat, first I cured it, and then I waited for about 15 minutes, and then I started touching the top of my nails, and it was really sticky. My fingerprint indented in the nail polish. So what I did was I went over it with this top coat. I put the top coat on, cured it for around 30 seconds, and waited for a couple minutes after that. I can touch the top of my nails and they do not feel sticky. My fingerprints aren't leaving an indentation, nothing. So this is the final look, and I'm pretty pleased with it. Again, I have no idea what happened with that top coat. I have no idea why it was so sticky and why after quite some time I was able to leave an indentation of my fingerprint. I cannot stand that. I love the clean polished look, especially if I spend so much time going over all the steps, following all the directions, something like that happens. The end look is exactly what I wanted. I love it. Very clean, very polished. The best that I could do. I bought the SensatioNail polishes from Target. I will link a description down below for you to check it out. But comment down below on what your favorite nail polishes are. If you prefer gel or regular nail polish, if you prefer gel, or what brand gel polishes you like. And if you prefer just regular nail polishes, what brand of nail polishes do you like? For the most part, I kind of stick with OPI and Essie. Those are the two brands that I like to stick with as far as regular nail polishes go. Like I said, this is my first time using gel. Comment down below, subscribe, like this video, and until next time, bye.